Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat berjumpa kembali dengan channel YouTube Tatak Snack. Nah, kali ini kita mau belajar menerbangkan drone. Drone kita SJRF 11 Pro. Kita pertama kali ini mau mencoba menerbangkan. Kita latihan di halaman Balai Kampung. Setelah melalui proses-proses awal sebelum diterbangkan, kita tadi buka tutorialnya di YouTube. Sempat bingung juga, takut, deg-degan. Akhirnya ya bisa juga kita menerbangkannya. Terus kita turunin, kita coba lagi, kita turunin, kita coba lagi gitu. Nah, ini ada anak-anak kecil langsung pada berdatangan, ngepoin lagi ngapain toh itu Mas Tatak, lagi ngapain toh itu Mas Tatak. Nah, yuk, ini tadi kita memakai HP rekamnya, nggak ada suaranya. Nanti kita kasih musik sajalah. Nah, ini kita sudah berhasil menerbangkannya. Ya, masih belajar. Oh tuh, masih terlalu kenceng, muter-muterin arahnya terlalu cepat, jadinya gambarnya tidak enak dilihat. Itu Masjid Al Hidayah, itu jalan arah ke Jogja, itu SD. Yuk kita lihat bareng-bareng aja lah. Karena bingung mau dikasih musik apa, kita kasih lagu Cak Culai Nabui Nabui.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting. And I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do
this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be?